Have you ever watched an Instagram reel and later want to find it again? Today I will show you how to check your reels watch history in just a few taps. So launch your Instagram app, make sure you have already logged into your account, navigate to your profile page. For that, click on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. Once you're over here, click on three bars given at the top right corner. Now here you're going to find this option, your activity, click on that. Now navigate to the section interactions. Click on the option likes. This will show you all the posts and reels you have liked. Click on this drop down for sort by. You can set it to newest to oldest or oldest to newest. Likewise, click on this drop down for dates. You're also able to sort by date. Likewise, you can head back and click on the option comments. In this page, you're going to find the list of the reels or the post in which you have commented. And that's it. This way you can find your reels watch history. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.